Mayroon sila dito makeup remover. So, parang siyang wet wipes. Walang kayo dito sa may counter. Royal Thai Police Headquarters. Ang ganda oh, akala ko parang museum. Nandito kami sa bridge from Central World going to Siam Paragon, Siam Square. How much? This one?
1,900 baht.
Oh, 1,900. Yeah, it's sold out in Pop Mart.
Flagstaff, Arizona, showed me where we all come from. And Silver Spring, Maryland, is where I got this old guitar. There in Saul and Dora is where I first fell for her. Let's go east, running down the river. West, we've already been south, yeah, and it feels like home. But my true north is anywhere we can
Smile! Yummy?
Anywhere we can go.
Siam Square. Nagpaiwan na sila sa hotel kasi diba after namin kumain dun sa restaurant ni Mark Wayne's, sobrang anghang kasi. Pero parang ako kasi sanay naman ako sa spicy, pero grabe talaga yung anghang niya. So si Brian hindi niya kinaya, sumakit yung siya niya. Doon nag-Gaviscon naman siya, pero ayun, sumama yung pakiramdam niya kaya nagpaiwan na sila. We were supposed to go sa Siam Square sana. So sabi ko, ako na lang pupunta. And the last time yung binili ko na bag na color maroon, diba sabi ko bibili kong color black, hindi ko kasi siya nabalikan since flight ko na nun the next day. So later daan tayo. So may rider na tayo, nag-book na ako via Bolt ng motorbike. 49 baht lang simula dito sa Cubic Prato ng papuntang Siam Square. Bud outfit today yung name. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga clothes nila. Lalo na tong set na to ng shirt saka skirt. So, I'm here sa Siam Square, Siam Discovery, Siam Paragon, Siam Center. Magkakalapit lang siya dito. And yung vibe dito parang BGC. Eh, no? Ang ganda. So, we're gonna walk lang. As in, lakad-lakad. And meron akong hinahanap na store. Ayun, the and the Muscle Academy. Yun yung gusto kong puntahan kanina pa. Oh, meron din silang on-cut. Tama ba? On-cut? Basta yun yung na-vlog ko din before sa Glorieta ng mga accessories. Super cute. Ayan. N-cut. I think N-cut yan. Di yan on-cut. Ang cute na itong store na to. Oh. 90s design yung beam. Naka buy to get one free sila. Super Instagrammable. Ito yung gusto kong puntahan. Ang cute to.
Didn't think you'd say hi to me, let alone walk by me, even though I know I deserve the best. And just look at you, you make me blush. And I put up my wall so my heart won't get crushed. Cause when you're looking in my eyes, it's like I'm walking on thin ice. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with love that well. It's a game that I never learned to play. But when you look my way, it's like I've known it all along. And what I'm trying to say is, if you're gonna make a move, stop waiting. Cause I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. So tell me how I play it cool now. Tell me when can I see you again, but maybe this time not as just friends. I'm falling hard, baby, you got me hooked. These feelings just cannot be overlooked, and I'm so tired of waiting, babe. I'm so over this patient phase. It's not overrated, it's not complicated. It's love, it's love. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with love that well. It's a game that I never learned to play. But when you look my way, it's like I've known it all along. And what I'm trying to say is, if you're gonna make a move, stop waiting. Cause I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. So tell me how I play it cool. Yeah, 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 yeah. No. So take me away someplace far and hold me safe inside your arms. It's not overrated, it's not complicated, it's love. So take me away someplace far and hold me safe inside your arms. It's not overrated, it's not complicated, it's love. It's love.
Bumili lang ako ng stickers saka yung lagay ng ID.
are forever, noticing everything. Like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined. Can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What has it done to the world?
199 baht lang. Taylor Swift. Ang ganda. Ito bet ko, ang ganda. Ang gaganda ng mga skirt to. Hindi ako sure kung brand new ba lahat dito. Kasi yung amoy niya parang amoy thrift store. Yung store na yan, ganun yung scent niya. Do you have sizes?
One size.
One size?
Yeah, design it.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, ay, ang cute nito. 150 baht lang. Super nice. Hindi lang ako sure kung safe siyang labhan. Ganda na itong pants. Tapos may pagka-white leg siya. Dito lang to sa may Siam Square sa labas. Grabe, yung mga Bangkok clothes talaga. Ang gaganda, ano? How much this one? 250. One size only?
One size.
Oh, it's nice. Ang ganda nito. Pero bet ko yung nasa labas. 250 baht lang siya. Ang cute, mga handmade bags. Ang ganda naman nito. How much for this one?
This one 690.
690. So
If you
cute.
buy handmade bag, I get free one t-shirt.
Ah, okay. So nice. Ang problema lang dito pag umulan, hindi mo siya magagamit kasi mababasa eh. Pero ito ang ganda oh. Parang sling yung style niya. Super cute. Hala, ang ganda nito oh. Ganyan yung mga gusto ko. May pagka-wide leg. Ang ganda. Asya kaya to sa balakang ko. Saka makapal siya eh. Ito din oh. Ang cute naman nito. Ito din oh. I mean, alam niyo naman adik ko kasi Hello Kitty. Pero grabe. Ayan pa oh. Ang cute. Sorry, ang OA. Pero ang cute talaga. Ang cute na ito guys oh. Very girly. Ito din. Kaya lang ang haba niya masyado. Pero grabe, ang cute. Ito yung parang color black ko, diba? Same siya.
มีลายเครื่องสำอางเยอะมากเช่นเดียวกัน ใครที่ไม่รู้จะจบ
Grabe, ginabi na ako. It's already 7:27 p.m. and nag-book na ako via Bolt ng motorbike. Ang dami ko na naman pinamili sa Beauty Room. Kasi yung iba dito pang pasalubong din. Ay, the weather is nice. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Dapat pala today na lang kami nag-cruise. Pero sabi ni Brian, bukas na lang daw ng gabi. So, hindi ako sure. Guys, kung naghanap kayo ng mall, mag-visit kayo dito sa Siam Square. Kasi parang siyang Serendra, parang TGC. Sobrang ganda ng vibe. Tapos ang dami mga affordable clothes, item, mga cute cafes. So, highly recommended talaga to. Masarap yung mga milk tea dito. Oh. Okay, wala akong helmet kasi wala daw siyang helmet. Ito lang yung nakakatakot pag mag-motorbike kayo tapos walang helmet na dala yung rider. Kaya make sure meron kayong insurance na i-add dun sa flight nyo.